Well, good afternoon. I hope you all are having a great Memorial Day weekend. We're out here at the range today. We decided to test our Ruger Mark II that we shortened the barrel on, and then actually tried out one of these Wish Solvent traps. As you can see, it's engraved. I've done a form too. It's now a suppressor after modifying it, right? But we got a Ruger Mark II. And then what we brought out today was also CCI quiet and CCI standard velocity. I've tried it once before with a standard, and I'm pretty certain we're going to cycle, but I'm not 100% on what's going to happen with the quiet. So we'll test it out, see what happens. I'm going to fire 2 rounds of standard and then 2 rounds of quiet. Let you guys see what you think about that. No cycle on the CCI quiet. So as you can see, that last round was with the CCI quiet and didn't even lock the bolt to the rear. Pretty cool little thing. I'm sure you guys also heard some port pop. With these Ruger Mark IIs, you can also put your thumb over the back of the slide when you're firing it, and then essentially do what was happening with the CCI quiet, is make it a bolt action pistol. And I'll show you that real quick just so you can see the difference. If you didn't want to hear port pop and only had standard ammunition, you'd load your magazine, run the slide, but then you can press your thumb on the back and there's no issue. Again, just racks out. So everything's being used straight out of the suppressor, but I guess you can tell me if there's a sound difference or not, what you guys think. Make sure that you guys drop a comment, hit the subscribe button if you like this, and share it. Sacrifice to the anti-2A. Algorithmic God is here. Have a good day.